Hey, Tim here. Man, it's been rough. I thought I played it right my whole life, which I did. I stayed out of debt, kept me happy and free, and I didn't have to worry about things. I mean, too much. I mean, I raised 4 kids, and like I say, I stayed out of debt, but chasing money all the damn time, running around. I mean, wasted a lot of time not spending it with my kids, not with the wife. And I mean, we just got everything right, everything paid off, and everything's straight. And the wife just up and died. I mean, now I'm all alone. I ain't got no bills. I didn't take hardly any pictures of her. I mean, it's just crazy how you can let life slide by and think you're doing the right thing, and bam, it just changes. I like I say, I'm struggling now. I have good days and bad days. I know there ain't a thing or a soul on earth or nothing that can change what I've missed. And I mean, I got a few more years left in me. I feel pretty damn good. I guess you go downhill pretty quick after whatever, because I ain't seen too many young looking 80-year-olds. You just can't let life go by without stopping and smelling the flowers, as they say. I don't know. I have good days and bad days. Last week I had like 3 or 4 real bad days. I just couldn't shake it, man. It was getting me down bad. And then I got that thought about life after death. I never looked at it like that. Is there life, your life after their death? I just figured right there, I gotta freaking either curl up and die or get on with my life. Well, I've been getting on with my life, and I think I get a grip on it, and all of a sudden, bam, it's right back in my face again. But dang, I gotta spray myself down. But it just hits you, and there's nothing you can do about it but go forward. And I was sitting there, and I'm talking to like her sisters and stuff, and people I never talked to before she died. And I was like, man, and I mean, like her sister came down to see her other sister, because her other sister moved down here. She came down from Michigan, didn't even tell my wife they were down here, and my wife knew. The other one lied to cover it. And I'm thinking, why am I talking to these people? I never talked to them before, and I thought, matter of fact, I never even liked them before, because I mean, like, she went up there for a funeral one time, and they didn't even want her staying there, boy. They pretty much threw her ass out. So I cut that stuff out. The best thing I've been doing is busting my butt. But dude, I've lost, because I've always struggled to try to put weight on. I've lost over 10 pounds. It's 11 pounds I lost just this morning. It's dang driving me crazy. I got to figure out how to gain weight. But like I say, I fought that my whole life trying to gain it. And I know most people, or a lot of people, have a problem losing it. But I just got to get my shit together. People need to, I mean, love your family, man. If you don't love your family, find one to love. And I mean, take pictures and stuff, man, because I searching pictures for her. Ain't hardly any pictures of me all over the place. I mean, that might have to do with her being a woman and me being a man, but you just don't know what the hell you got till you lose it. And that's for freaking real. And I don't know, boy, I just going through some stuff. staying busy as hell. I think that's why I'm losing a lot of weight, because I've been eating like crazy. But dude, just man, stop and smell the damn flowers. Love life. And yeah, stay out of debt. Hell yeah, stay out of debt. Build something for yourself. Going back to, I mean, that ebook down below is free. They want a donation, $3, just put 0 in there and get it. It's dang. Ebook creation, you can have an ebook in one day. Start building something, making something with yourself. And dude, love what you got, because it ain't gonna be there forever. I dang, like I say, I've lost a lot, and I got all my things, but they're just things. Things are just things. Money will come, money will go. But like I say, stay sharp, keep your nose clean, and owe no one. That's living, baby.
Yeah. How are you?
Okay, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, do you need milk?
Oh, yeah.